These are the 5 top banks in USA based on their total assets. 5. Goldman Sachs with a total assets of $1.44 trillion. Goldman Sachs Group is into global investment banking, securities and investment banking. 4. Wells Fargo & Company with a total assets of $1.87 trillion. Wells Fargo is into various banking and financial products and services, including consumer banking, mortgage loans, and insurance. 3. Citigroup Incorporated with a total assets of $2.26 trillion. Citigroup is a global banking and financial services providing a range of services to individuals and corporations. 2. Bank of America with total asset size of $2.81 trillion. Bank of America provides a wide array of banking services, including retail banking, wealth management, and investment banking. 1. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company with a total asset size of $3.12 trillion. J.P. Morgan Chase offers a broad range of services to its clients, including retail banking, asset management, and investment banking.